Hello fellow Scratchers, welcome back to another episode of Scratch Learning, and today I'll be showing you how you can make a guessing game in Scratch. So let's just get started by creating the project. Alright, let's start off by calling sprite 1 cat. Then, let's make 3 emotions of Scratch Cat. So we will leave the first one, but for the second one, we'll just delete that one and just duplicate 3 times. Then, I'm just going to ungroup Scratch Cat. Then, I'll just make a straight face. And we'll call it normal. And then for the first one, we'll call it happy. And then for the second one, we'll just make it mad. Mad, so let's just flip it vertical. Just move it around like that. Alright, and we'll just call this sad. Alright. Now let's just code it up, so grab a when flag clicked. Then, before we actually do that, let's grab a background. So let's choose a backdrop. Let's put theater. Alright, that looks really cool. Alright, so we can position him somewhere on the stage. So let's position him for the Y. Let's just do -35. Leave X0, so as you see, he'll be on the stage, which looks really cool. Alright, then let's broadcast a new message called game loop. Now, put a when I receive game loop. Let's make a new variable, and let's call it value for this sprite only. Set value to pick random 1 to 10. Switch costume to normal. Then ask pick a number between 1 to 10. Basically, this will actually put the pick random. So if you put 1 to 20, then you're gonna have to put pick a number between 1 to 20, or else the player who is actually playing your game wouldn't even know that it's actually a higher value. So make sure you get that right. Alright, so put an if and grab a not greater than, equals if answer equals value. Then let's broadcast 1. Alright, then switch costume to happy. Let's duplicate it, but this time grab a not and put it over that. And then switch it to sad and broadcast game over. Alright, to make this game a little better, let's let's make a new sprite. Let's call it helper. I do not know a name, so I'm just going to call it helper. Alright, so we're going to just do 2 costumes, so we'll just do that. Alright, let's first make a rectangle across the whole screen. I'm going to put an outline, make it really big so that way you can actually see it. Alright, after that, let's put a text and call it game over. I'm just going to put it black so you can see it. Alright, that's not bad. That looks really cool. I'm probably just going to stretch this out a bit. Alright, not bad. And then I'm just going to duplicate it. And let's put a try again. And let's just put that right here. Alright. Then just call it game over for now. Then we could duplicate it and just put this to winner. So let me fix this real quick. Alright. So winner, and you could just change this to wanna go again. Alright. Put that right there. Alright, really cool. Let's put this right here somewhere so that we have some space. Alright, that's not bad. We'll just call this winner. Alright, let's code it up now. Grab a when flag clicked, and let's hide it. And then when I receive game loop, let's also hide. And then let's grab a when I receive one. Let's switch costume to winner. And then show. And then set ghost effect to 100. And then wait 0.01 seconds. And then grab a forever loop. Then let's change ghost by -7. Alright, same goes with the game over, except we're just going to switch this to game over. Then yeah, actually that's just it. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for here. Now let's just actually add a button for the try again so that way we can restart. So to make a new sprite, let's call it try again. Alright, so now let's just make a button. Now I've been thinking of making like this cool little button that could actually look like a 3D-ish one, so I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to put this to not a white, that would just not match, so I'll put it to a pinkish with the outline of a much darker pinkish. So let's just do that. Alright, that's not bad. We'll leave it that for now because yeah. Actually, I'll just put it black. Alright, then I'll just put this a little lighter. Now I'm just going to duplicate it and just put it more towards the right. And you can see that that looks pretty 3D-ish if you really think about it. Now I'm just going to make this a little darker with a different color. So let's just say purple. It's much darker. That looks pretty cool. Look at that. That's not bad. I'd probably make it a little darker. Yep. Yeah, it looks really good. Alright, now let's just make a text called try again. And I'm just going to put it black. Make sure you center it. But for what I'm doing, it's going to be really cool. Trust me, if you follow too, you probably will like it too. Alright. Yeah, like that. It's good. So let's just make sure we make that real big. Alright. Now, yeah, this is perfect. Now let's just duplicate it. Let's also make sure that you call this not clicked. And then you call this clicked. Then what you want to do is that you want to just group this. I mean, not sorta, but just hold shift and then click both of them except for the shaded part, and then just press the right arrow and put it as whatever you want to do. So I'll just put it really close like that. Looks really cool. And then now you're gonna like this part. So let's actually start coding. So there's a lot in here, so try to follow along. Grab a when flag clicked and then let's hide it. When I receive game loop, you want to also hide. And then let's switch to not clicked. Alright, and then when I receive game over, let's just show. Let's set ghost effect to 100. and let's wait 0.01 seconds, and then forever, let's change ghost by -7. Now we're also going to be using a block, a new custom one, 2 times. So we're gonna actually need this. So call it button. Oh, sorry, cannot spell. Button down. Press OK. Now let's code it up. So this will just be simple. Grab an if, and then if. Let's put an and. Alright. If mouse down and touching mouse pointer, then let's just repeat 2 times. Costumes. So we're going to repeat 2 times, going to the costumes. We don't want to go forever. Let's wait 0.15 seconds and then broadcast game loop. This is where we're going to be trying again. Alright, now you can just place this new block over here. Alright, now we could basically just do the same. So just duplicate the when I receive game over and just put it for 1, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think we should be done here. Now I'm pretty sure we have to center this, so actually not center it, we actually got to reposition it. So let's just make sure could actually put a different size. So I'll put 50, actually 75 would be good. Now I'm going to position it right here. So -30, so let's go to -30, or at least for me right now. Alright, so we should be good here. Now if it goes wrong, then we could always fix it, but let's see how it goes. So pick a number between 1 to 10. Now let's pick 3. Oh, game over. Let's try again. Game over. Yes, seems to be working. Game over. Alright, let's try to get to a winner. So I'll be right back trying to get. Alright, finally I was able to figure it out, and as you see, I got a winner, and it says wanna go again, and then as you click try again, you could see that when I click it, it does this little animation. Looks really cool. You see Scratch Cat sitting there asking you a question, you try to answer it, but game over. And if you look really close at Scratch Cat while I put this inputted number, you can see that he has the face. Now, if you want to make a delay towards the when it starts showing the little helper sprite, then you could always do that. Just make sure you change the wait 0.01 seconds and just put it to any delay, or at least I know so. Alright, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.